Welcome! In today's video, we're going to explore some practical tips and tricks on how to create content that truly engages your audience. Whether you're making videos, writing blogs, or posting on social media, these strategies will help your content stand out. The first and most crucial step is understanding your audience. Who are they? What are their interests, challenges, and goals? The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your content to their needs. For example, if you're creating content for beginners, you'll want to keep things simple and avoid jargon. On the other hand, if your audience is more advanced, you can dive into deeper, more complex topics. Next, let's talk about storytelling. People love stories because they're relatable and memorable. Even if you're explaining a technical concept, try to weave a story into it. For instance, instead of just listing the benefits of a product, tell a story about how it solved a problem for someone. This not only makes your content more engaging, but also helps your audience connect with the information on a personal level. Now, visuals are a big part of keeping your audience engaged. Use images, videos, infographics, and animations to break up text and make your content more dynamic. Research shows that people are more likely to remember information when it's presented with relevant visuals. So, think about how you can visually represent the key points you're making. Another great way to boost engagement is by incorporating interactive elements. This could be as simple as asking questions, running polls, or even including a quiz at the end of your content. For example, if you're writing a blog post, you might include a quick poll asking readers what they think about a topic. This not only makes the content more interactive, but also provides valuable feedback you can use to improve future content. One of the biggest challenges in creating engaging content is keeping it concise. We live in an age where attention spans are short, so getting to the point quickly is key. Avoid fluff and focus on delivering clear, valuable information. This doesn't mean your content has to be short, but every part of it should serve a purpose. If a section doesn't add value, consider cutting it out or reworking it. Lastly, be authentic. People connect with content that feels genuine. Share your own experiences, be honest about challenges, and show your personality. For example, if you're creating a tutorial, share a mistake you made and what you learned from it. This not only makes your content more relatable, but also builds trust with your audience. Let's quickly recap by going over the 6 main tips. 1. Understand your audience to tailor your content. 2. Tell a story to make it relatable. 3. Use visuals to make your content more memorable. 4. Add interactive elements to boost engagement. 5. Be concise and clear to keep your audience's attention. And lastly, 6. Stay authentic to build trust and connection. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating content that not only grabs attention but keeps your audience coming back for more. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, this video was made possible thanks to ElevenLabs, a leading AI text-to-speech platform. A link to the platform can be found in the description below.